coupled the virtual training with hands-on in-person training, and then offer them cash prizes. So I think it's important to, because this is a tangible product as much as it is a digital product. I think it's important to kind of, demo this with your on-site teams, and to get over the fear of the creative component of filming a video if you're maybe not a creative person, to show them some simple techniques to utilize that are easy for everybody to, once you understand that there are easy techniques, that you don't have to be Steven Spielberg to make one of these videos, that the gimbal, once it turns on and stabilizes, is not that difficult to use. So really combating some of those objections, I think, that the on-site teams have initially, and then continually showing them the why.